Hello, and in this video I'll cooking and I'll cook vegetable stew and what ingredients I need. I need vegetables, pepper, um, tomatoes and maybe bills and onion. I don't know where is the onion. And so at the first I need to peel the carrots. Go on. I have already lipped carrots and washed onion or other vegetables, and now I'll chop it and then fry. I made dinner and everyone was very hungry, so I didn't film the final result. I used the following ingredients. It was carrots, onion, peppers, beans, peas, and some grass, not grass, I don't know, like dill, parsley, and other condiment. I I forgot the word. And yes, in the first I uh, fried onion, carrots, and peppers, and then I put there added, and then then I added other ingredients like beans, peas, and dill, parsley, and other things. Yes, it was very tasty and very good. So thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.